Good morning, this is Mr. Sanchez, Walnut Grove Middle School Tech Apps teacher. Today I want to take you through a very quick basic tutorial of PowerSchool, which is our online gradebook. This is where the students can check their grades and things like that. Canvas is our learning management system where we do our work, we put our assignments in, we submit assignments and all that, but the Canvas gradebook is not the same. So PowerSchool is very important for students to be checking every day to see if they're missing any assignments, to see what grade they made on something, to see if there are any teacher comments. So here we go. The first screen when they log into PowerSchool will look like this, okay? And it'll show all of their courses here, okay? You can see the period that they have it for and things like that. But basically it'll show all their courses here. As you go across, you'll see columns labeled W1, W2, and so far. That actually stands for 6 weeks, not just week. It's 6 weeks. So this is the 6 weeks 1, 6 weeks 2, and so on. If we are currently in the fifth 6 weeks, you would go to W5 and look. Obviously, in this screenshot, the student is in the sixth 6 weeks. So here's W6. These are the grades that he or she would look at currently. Okay, so this is the main grade. Now, all you see is their overall average and no details. To see details, you would click on the actual grade itself. So in Tech Apps, if you wanted to, you see what you're making right now. If you wanted details in the assignments, you click on it, okay? The next screen you'll get is an actual breakdown of the assignments that make up that grade, okay? In each of those assignments, you can see the due date, whether they were major or minor, what the name was. If you see any flags here, you'll see, not in this screenshot, but at the bottom of the screen, you'll see a legend on what they mean. But overall, you'll see what they made on it right here, okay? Now, what you're going to want to look for very closely are these little guys here. It's like a word bubble. It means the teacher made a comment about that, and they've got to look at that because this is the main way teachers communicate about grades. So, for example, on the audio video group project, there's a comment there, and to view the comment, you can't. I wish you could click on it, but you can't. You have to click view. Okay. When you do, this will come up, and this gives you some more information about that assignment, including the comment that was made. All right. So those are the three main screens. Fairly simple, but I wanted you to have a quick tool on how to check your students' grades. Again, important to be checking them every day to see if they're missing anything, or maybe they turned in the wrong file and the teacher made a comment about that. So important to be checking every day.